Hey guys, Shay with Owyhee, and one of the biggest differences between onion harvest in the Northwest and onion harvest in California, aside from the hand harvest, is the fact that the onions are harvested into bins in the field rather than into bulk trucks. In the Northwest, these onions would be placed into 10-wheeler trucks about 20 or 25,000 pounds at a time and then taken to the packing facility. These bins actually only hold, in this case, about 900 pounds apiece. What's the advantage of going into a bin versus a truck? Well, we can handle the lots a little bit more carefully, 900 pounds at a time. There's also, in general, less handling. If we go into a farm truck, we're going to go from the harvester to the truck and then into a bin, or the harvest truck and then onto the packing line. So it adds one or two touches. Well, what's the big deal about the touches? Skin retention. These varieties, these summer varieties, tend to have much less skin. You can kind of see this onion here, just not much skin to it. And so if we take it over the line and flake more of that skin off, then you're going to have more bald onions and a less pretty experience and a less pretty aesthetic look. So what we do is a hand harvest, single step from a bucket to a bin, and then from the bin onto the packing line, and it helps everything look a little bit nicer. These onions are also a little bit more susceptible to mechanical damage. They're a little bit softer, although I wouldn't say they're dramatically different than an early onion from the Northwest in general. The other thing that's kind of unique is, you're at the grocery level, or those of you that are buying, you're going to generally be buying onions that are less than a week old. When you're in the Northwest, you could be buying onions that are 5 or 6 months old. Now, there's advantages to both. These are a little bit more susceptible maybe to breakdown because the sugar content's a little bit higher, so is the water content. But and they tend not to have that pretty skin, whereas the Northwest onion's going to be, a dark bronze skin. It'll be a little bit more durable. But then you deal with some things like translucent scale, or late season you might deal with sprouting. But anyway, that's one of the biggest comparisons or differences between what we do in the Northwest and what we are doing here in California. Hope you're doing well. Catch you later.